Tired of paying a fortune for fixing holes, leaks, and cracks?
O'Reilly's here with a great new way to repair like a pro and save money at the same time. Introducing Peel and Patch. How well does Peel and Patch work? Watch this. This is a solid door.
Just remove a peel and patch. Peel, then press. It's soft and pliable out of the pack, then hard like steel when exposed to light. Now you can sand, paint,
Now you've saved a ton of time and money.
repair leaky pipes, tanks, mufflers, plastic, concrete, boats, RVs, virtually any hard surface.
I'm here in the factory where Peel and Patch is proudly made in the USA.
Now, Peel and Patch is available to you for the first time ever, direct from the manufacturer.
We've been using Peel and Patch for 4 years now. Having a patching solution that's easily applied is a great plus.
Peel and Patch is not just tough, it's sturdy tough. And to prove it, we're covering these two holes with Peel and Patch. If Peel and Patch is strong enough to hold me, then you've got to buy it.
I had a muffler go out. They quoted me an outrageous price. I used Peel and Patch instead. It saved hundreds of dollars.
Peel and Patch can withstand temperatures from -30 to 365 degrees.
I'm a housewife. I'm not a hardware man. Peel and Patch was so easy to use, even I could do it.
Peel and Patch isn't like those flimsy tapes or smelly, messy sprays that don't last. It's durable and resistant to weather and chemicals.
Peel and Patch hardens in minutes, outdoors with sunlight or indoors with UV light.